Welcome back to Home Decor 101, your go-to place for design inspiration and ideas that feel like home. If you love cozy spaces, timeless aesthetics, and thoughtful decorating, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our decor family. Today, we're diving into one of the most underrated yet luxurious color palettes in interior design, brown. It's rich, it's warm, it's grounded. Brown has made a strong comeback, and I can't wait to show you how this earthy hue can transform your space. So let's talk why brown is making a comeback. Brown is having a major moment in the world of home decor. For years, cool tones like gray and white dominated modern interiors. And I know how much you all hated that gray trend. We've talked about that quite a few times. It seems like everyone is over gray. But now homeowners and designers are craving warmth, texture, and a sense of comfort, things brown delivers effortlessly. From velvety chocolate to creamy mocha, the brown spectrum offers a range of shades that feel natural, organic, and inviting. It reminds us of nature, of leather-bound books, crackling fires, and cozy winter evenings. Brown is timeless, and when used thoughtfully, it can feel both sophisticated and down to earth. Okay, so let's talk about where brown shines. One of the best things about brown is its versatility. You can go for deep, dramatic espresso tones for a more moody vibe, or lighter caramel browns for warm and airy feel. It works beautifully in wood, furniture, leather sofas, textured textiles like linen and wool, and even painted walls. Pairing brown with neutrals like cream, ivory, or taupe creates a soothing palette, while mixing it with gold, terracotta, or even soft pink adds richness and just this bit of a modern charm. So how do you use brown without it feeling dated or too dark? I would say start with small touches. Think cozy throw blankets, woven baskets, or brown toned artwork. A leather armchair or a walnut coffee table adds a sense of grounded elegance to any room. For a bolder statement, consider painting an accent wall in soft cocoa tone or installing wood paneling for texture. You can also layer different shades of brown to create depth. Chocolate pillows on a tan sofa, or even dark-stained bookshelves against a sandy beige wall. The key is layering in and mixing materials to keep the space exciting and visually interesting. We actually spoke in a different video about the 70s wood paneling is starting to make a comeback, which is so crazy, but that just ties in with that bringing more brown and more wood into your home. I'll try to link that video so you can see that one if you haven't seen it yet. So let's talk some of the pros and cons of brown decor. Now on the plus side, brown is warm, it's timeless, and it's incredibly grounding. I'm the type of person that doesn't really feel like colors go out of style because we have so many limited colors, you know? So brown will never really go out of style, but I do believe that it wasn't trending for a while. Not like it is now. But brown makes a room more calm and lived in, which is perfect for creating relaxing spaces like bedrooms or living rooms. It's also great at hiding wear and tear, especially when used in rugs or upholstery, so it's a smart pick for high traffic areas or homes with kids and pets. Now on the downside, brown can feel heavy or even outdated if overused, especially in rooms that lack natural light. It just feels very burdensome, like very heavy. To avoid this, always balance it out with lighter colors, with mirrors or metallic accents that really reflect light and add contrast. I love how brown and gold look together. Such a very luxurious vibe. I love that color combination. I almost forgot, if you need some brown inspiration, go ahead and check the description box. I have some beautiful pieces sourced from Amazon. I always go with Amazon because I know we all have access to it. But I have some beautiful brown pieces sourced from Amazon if you want to just get inspired by the brown. To fully embrace brown decor, lean into its natural vibe. Think about including other earthy elements, stone, ceramics, rattan, or live greenery to complete the look. Consider texture curtains, wooden picture frames, or jute rugs for an organic touch. You don't need to go full on brown. Even a few thoughtfully chosen pieces can make your space just feel more welcoming and layered. So if you've been craving a home that feels calm, elegant, and warm, brown might just be your perfect match. It's a color that invites you in and says, hey, why don't you stay a while? And what can be better than that? Let me know in the comments if you're team brown or if you're thinking about incorporating it into your space. Or if not, tell me another color that you're interested in. One thing I love about brown is that it goes with so many decor styles: farmhouse, contemporary, modern, even industrial. So many different ways to use it and to personalize it and make it your own. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Home Decor 101, and come back for more cozy, timeless design inspiration. Thanks for watching, guys. But remember, whether you have brown in your house or you choose another color, the best thing you can have in your house is a sense of gratitude. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.